Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a full day of eating. Sorry for my crazy hair. I have my robe on still wear it every day. I have semester tests today, so yeah, I'll be able to come home and have lunch and all that fun stuff. So I'm about to make breakfast. I think it's like 7. It's like almost 7. Can you see that? You can't. But yeah, I'm gonna make some waffles and some yogurt. Okay, so I just finished breakfast. All I had was 2 waffles from, I think they're Eggo. Yeah, and then I did banana on top and then some syrup. And then for my yogurt bowl, I just had strawberries, bananas, and then some granola from Hy-Vee, like just the Hy-Vee brand. I think it was called like almond, vanilla almond maybe. Sorry for the lighting, it's really bad. So it's 7:26, I'm gonna study for chem and then head in and take that test, and then I will come back home and I'll see you then. Just got back from my first test. It was chemistry. It went pretty good, I think. But I'm gonna have an apple, I think. I just said I think like 20 times. Okay, so I'm gonna have a Honeycrisp apple and some green grapes. So that's my little snack of the day. So I just made lunch. I have a ham and egg white sandwich with Swiss cheese on an English muffin, shredded hash browns and ketchup, guacamole, egg whites, red peppers, and then some cheese from my Laughing Cow. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this. And then I'll see what time it is, but I'll probably have to go in and take my trig test. So I'm gonna finish this and I will see you the next time I eat. I'm back again, and we have a Light and Fit yogurt, protein cereal, 1 caramel rice cake with Smucker's strawberry jam. So I'm gonna quick eat this and then head back into town. I changed because it's hot out, but yeah, it's been a busy day, to say the least. And your girl is officially a senior. I just got home. Ooh, don't want to zoom. It was a history test, and it's currently 3:20. I still have quite a few carbs left and protein, so I think I'm gonna make a smoothie. But yeah, we'll figure out what I make. I don't know how I'm gonna make this, but it's definitely gonna be a smoothie, and I'll show you what I put in it. For supper was some chicken sausage that I had grilled last weekend? This weekend? I don't know. Jasmine rice, broccoli, and a little shredded chicken. So that's what we came up with. And then for sauces, I used sour cream and barbecue sauce. So. Yeah. Oh, it's blurry. Huh?
I said I kind of look like a donut.
We're back in my PJs. But I'm gonna have my last little snack. I'm gonna have a level 1 bar. Should I have peanut butter or salted caramel? Salted peanut butter. Oh, I'm feeling peanut butter. So I'm gonna warm that up, snack on that, and probably go to bed. Bye. Go like this.